you will give fidya. That is the hukam of Allah. وَعَلَى الَّذِينَ يُطِيقُونَهُ فِدْيَةٌ طَعَامُ مِسْكِينٍ. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, مَنْ صَامَ رَمَضَانَ إِيمَانًا وَإِحْتِسَابًا, that the person who fasts in Ramadan, hoping that Allah will give him reward, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give him reward, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will forgive all his sins. So this is the month that we should be making a striving to make sure that our fast is safeguarded, striving to make sure that we don't break our fast, we don't spoil our fast. How do we spoil our fast? By backbiting somebody, by talking nonsense, by filthy language, or beating somebody, hitting somebody. This affects our fast. The fast will be done, but you will only get that you fasted all day, hungry and thirsty, but in the end, no ajr. So, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, "Man sama Ramadan imanan wa ihtisaban, ghufira lahu ma taqaddama min dhanbihi." We should never think this, that Allah will not reward us for our fast. Allah will reward us for our fast. Some people think in Islam, Salah is fard, so we have to pray. Otherwise, no, we should, that by praying Salah, Allah gives barakah in this world. And Allah will give us Jannah in the hereafter. Who does not want Jannah? Jannah is there. Jahannam is there. I can't show it to you. It is there. When will we see it? When we go from this world. Then in the qabr it will be shown. فَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيُؤْمِنْ وَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيَكْفُرْ. He who wants to believe can believe. He who wants to disbelieve can disbelieve. Allah is not imposing upon us. La ikraha fi din. Allah does not impose deen upon anybody. Those who believe in Allah, they will be rewarded. And those who disbelieve in Allah and in Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then maybe in the fahrist, their names might be here as Muslims, but in the hereafter they will be separated. So we have to have iman upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Iman, part of iman is fasting. And Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man qama Ramadan imanan wa ihtisaban, ghufira lahu ma taqaddama min dhanbihi." That the person who stands in the night in Qiyamul Layl, in Taraweeh, Allah will give him Jannah. He has to hope that Allah will give him ajr. So when we stand, for every rak'ah we will get ajr. For every word that is recited, every letter that is recited, we get ajr for listening to it. Those who recite, they get their ajr also, but not everybody is happy. So that doesn't mean that you will not get ajr by standing behind the Imam who is leading Taraweeh. You will get ajr as much as the Imam does also. Nothing less. Nothing less. You will get the same ajr as the person who is leading the Taraweeh. So we should stand and pray the whole Taraweeh, because the Taraweeh Quran is once a year. And we should also pray our own Quran. Every day, make some, I mentioned it yesterday also, for 5 Salah, make 5 or 10 pages, and you will finish one Quran in a month. Those who can read more, فَبِهَا وَنِعْمَةٌ. Those who can't read at all, just pick up the Quran. If you cannot recite Quran, just pick up the Quran and say, "This is my Allah's Kalam." You will get the same reward as the person who recites Quran. Do not think you will not get reward. If you pick up a cell phone like me and we look, that's not reward. That's looking at the cell phone. If we recite with the cell phone, Quran on the cell phone, we'll get thawab. But this is the Quran. This is the Quran. On the cell phone, that's the cell phone. We use it for everything else. This, we only use to recite the Quran. Look at the Quran. So the ajr of this, obviously, is much more. The thawab of this is much more. So may Allah give me tawfiq also, and you tawfiq also. Bring our children to Salah. If they keep coming from the young age, inshallah they will come till even when we are gone. We have a saying in Urdu, bachpan ki bachpan tak. And if we don't bring them for Salah now, and not even in the month of Ramadan, we bring them to the Masjid. I know they make noise. I know there was a baby crying also. But that's okay. Inshallah, these kids, one day they will be in our place. So Islam has to carry on. Deen has to carry on. So Allah has given us this opportunity in the month of Ramadan that we come. Inshallah, there is iftar every day in the Masjid. So we hope that you will participate in the iftar, come in the iftar. But my dear brothers, I'm not saying to the sisters because I know they have the kids and that. And my dear brothers, do not leave Salah when Salatul Isha is about to start. There were 3 cars leaving at Salatul Isha. If you want to leave, pray Salatul Isha, then leave. Tarawih is not farad. Salatul Isha is farad. Salatul Isha is farad. So don't give up farad for nothing. Having food and enjoying ourselves is good. I'm not against that. But I'm saying that right at the time of Salatul Isha, Azan has been given, Salah is about to start, and people are leaving. This is dishonoring Allah. This is dishonoring Allah. So may Allah give us tawfiq to do good in the month of Ramadan.